Let's resume our class of voices. Okay, today we shall practice the book passive voice, which starts with it, impersonal it pronoun. Okay, now see, this online class has been arranged by the Borderland Income Television. Okay, and I'm Kamalakhan Tobasmudari, been invited to discuss all these things in English. Okay, now see, it is said in Bodo that an active voice there will be say people, etc. But in passive voice, in place of people, we will use what? It, impersonal it. Okay, impersonal it jung know, think, hope, fear, feel, report, say, acknowledge, believe, consider, understand by the verb para passive voice of bahai jaye. Mama verb, you see, impersonal it jung, no verb. Then think, then hope, then fear, then feel, report, say, acknowledge, believe, understand, consider, understand, then acknowledge, बेफोरबादि भार्बफोरा passive voice आव बाहाय जायो तो मा जागोन सब्जेक्टआ it जागोन it बियो बे जागोन होमबालाय जोङो खालामनि let us proceed to say this. Okay, with the rubbing, let me write one. It is said that honesty is the best policy. Honesty is the best policy. It is said that honesty is the best policy. It is said that honesty is the best policy. It is said, this is in passive voice. Okay, this is in passive voice, not active voice. It is said that honesty is the best policy. It is said that honesty is the best policy. Okay? Then what will be this? What will be this? It is said that honesty is the best policy. It is actually passive voice. It is said this very verb is in passive form. If we turn this sentence into active voice, it will be, it is said, for it you write people, and is said For is said, you write say. People say. People say that. People say that honesty is the best policy. People say that honesty is the best policy. Now you see, it is said is turned to people say. When we find people say in active voice, then it should be turned into it is said. Then it becomes passive. Is said passive. Say active. Okay. Then this, it is a complex sentence, and here this is principal clause and it is that clause or subordinate clause. Honesty is the best policy. Honesty is the best policy. One clause is not changed to another voice. Okay. Only one clause is changed to another voice, but next clause is not changed. What we discussed yesterday. Okay. Double passive, or it's called double passive. Okay. Here say, this very verb. This very verb. Say. People say. People say. Okay. Now see. Another one. It is half. It is half. This very verb. It is half. The half verb. And for why here? It. Half is active voice, but is half is passive voice. It is halved. Okay. So let us write here passive voice. It is half that she will pass the exam in full examination. It is hoped that she will pass the examination. Okay. Now if we write the selective voice, it will be what? People hope, or we hope. People or we. Now is hope is present definite tense, so it will be here this. We hope that she will pass the examination. She will pass the examination. We hope that she will pass the examination, or people hope that she will pass the examination. Okay. Thus, let's proceed another 2 or 3 examples. Okay. सोरबा बिदि सेन्टेन्स को फरायसालियाव गोरोन्थि खालामो, गोरोन्थि खालामो आरो बेखायनो एसे जोङो सांग्रां जानांगोन. People believe that he is a smuggler. He is a prophet. People believe that he is a prophet. People believe that. This is one clause and that one is second clause, that clause, okay? Principal clause and subordinate clause. It is a complex sentence, and in this complex sentence there are two clauses. One principal clause and another subordinate clause. If we change the sentence from active to passive, you see, in place of people, we shall use this, it. And you see, believe, it is what? Active voice. We should turn this into passive. And when we turn this into passive, it will be, it is believed. It is believed. Yes, it is believed. Now you write this as it is. That he is a prophet. He is a prophet. It is believed that he is a prophet. It is believed that he is a prophet. Now people believe from active to passive has been turned and it takes the form. It is taken the form. It is believed. Okay. Now don't be confused. Don't be confused. If you have any problem, any confusion, please ask me. Let me try to answer. Okay. People say that he is honest. People say that he is honest. People say that he is honest. Here you see people say, principal clause, that he is honest. It is subordinate clause, and this very verb is in active voice. Now let us turn into passive. जों passive voice आव सालायदिनि अब्ला बे ओरैबायदि जागोन people नि जायगायाव जोङो it होगोन then it and Shia is said जागोन is said आरो बे people आ plural in plural नि बदलै जोङो इहाय it सो बाहायदों singular number third person singular number एखायनो बेहाय is जाबाय आरो फुरायै is said. It is said. It is said. Beनिफ्राय मा? It is said. बेखौ बेनिबो लिरनांसिगोन. We should write this as it is. That he is honest. It is said that he is honest. Okay? It is said that he is honest. Sometimes this very sentence is written thus, or it is written thus. He is honest now. Here he is said. He is said. Then in place of this we should say he is said to be honest. He is said to be honest. He is said to be honest. People are just bahag makha bear. नाथाय खोथा जाबाय मा बेहाय जोङो it लिरदोंबा passive voice आव बेहाय it लिराखसै people नि बदलै जों it लिराखसै Peopleनि बदलै he खौबो लिराखै नै बेखौसो लाबोदों he said to be honest बे फर्म स्टेन्डार्ड मोनसे फर्म आरो दे बुजिनांगोन जोङो आच्छा थाथोंसै बियो गोबां दङ जों बारा लालिया नांबावगोनबा मोनसे लिरजायो दिनै जों लिरनि They hope that the lockdown will end soon. Lockdown ko to buji no ba? Taiji soligation dong lockdown. Talabon. They hope that the lockdown will end soon. Okay. Now later sends this into passive. Here this is they. And it is hope, subject, verb. Okay, principal clause. It is principal clause. How to change this into passive voice? What will be this? Yes, is a hope. It will be is hoped. Is hoped. Present indefinite tense? No, it is also present indefinite tense. And in place of they, what should he write? Yeah, what should he write? What should he write? Nothing, only it. This impersonal it. It is enough. It is hoped. And you write the second person subordinate clause as it is. It is hoped that the lockdown will end soon. This होमबा देनि बदलै it हाबाबो जायो बे बांसिनलाय प्लुरेल नाम्बार थर्ड पर्सन प्लुरेल नाम्बार किन्तु बियो मा जाबाय थर्ड पर्सन सिंगुलार जाबाय पेसिभ भइसआव बिदि जायो दा बेखौ दे खौ लाखिनानै जों लिरनो हायो नामा they are hope बेखौ लिरबा जागोन नामा they are hoped जाया बियो बे guarantee wrong that is wrong okay that is wrong so another one we suppose that the film is good. Film is good. We suppose that the film is good. Active voice. Here we. Here suppose. Subject. Verb. Okay. An active voice. That is in present tense. Present definite tense. And what will be in passive voice? What should we write? In place of they, here we have written it. In place of we, here also we can write it. Okay? But you see, this is something different. It is something different. Okay, let us write this. It is supposed. It is supposed. It is supposed that the film is good. It is supposed that the film is good. Now, we can write this in different way also. What wrote this time? No. It is sorry. You write this, bring here, the film is supposed. The film is supposed. The film is supposed. Okay, the film is supposed. The film is supposed and is good. This portion will be to be good. Below jagan. To be good. The film बेखौ जोङो नैबेहाय लाबोबाय subjectनि जायगायाव ओमफ्राय supposeखौ मा खालामबाय is supposed खालामबाय is supposed okay तारमाने नैबे आरो the film suppose is supposed the film is supposed बेनिफ्राय is goodखौ मा लिरबाय to be good ल लिरबाय आरो to be good the film is supposed to be good होमबा जोङो we suppose that the film is good बे सेन्टेन्सखौ जों passive voiceआव ओरै मोननै मोननो हायो ओरै रोखोम मोनसे weनि बदलै it होबाय बै impersonal it बेखौ होबाय it is supposed that the film is good आरो next रोखोमनियाव जाबाय मा the film बेनि subordinate clause नि subject खौ बेहाय फोजोबहैबाय the film is supposed to be good एसे गोरा जायोना एसे गोरा जायो दे जासिगोन दे दानिया जोङो गुबुन मोनसेयाव थांदिनि जों गुबुन मोनसेयाव थांदिनि बे जाबाय मा ओरैहाय बुंदों खायसे बाथ्राफोरा जेब्लाबो पैसिव भॉइसआव थायो बिसोरहा एक्टिव भॉइस महर गैया बिसोरहा एक्टिव भॉइस महर गैया खायसे बाथ्राफोरा जेब्लाबो पैसिव भॉइसआवल' थायो बिसोरहा एक्टिव महर थायाबा बिसोरखौ भॉइस सोलायनो हाया दे you see for example okay okay
mana gabenथ' थांनाया औलै नोमादैया हाया होनदों
okay you see he was born in 19 66. He was born in 1966. He was born in 1966. He was born in 1966. This body sentence is in passive voice. This is passive voice. Passive voice. Say again. This watch is made in Japan. This watch is made in Japan. Passive voice only. We cannot change this into active voice. Okay? This type of sentences have no active form, only passive form. This. Okay? Now, about this, गुबुन मोनसे दंलाय active voice आव active voice आव adjective नि उनाव infinitive ल जयो जेब्लायबो infinitive verb ल जयो verb नि infinitive महर ल जयो ओके खाली infinitive महर ल जयो English is not easy to learn. English is not easy to learn. English is not easy to learn. Pia ma correct. Correct. आरो जों जुदि बे सेन्टेन्सखौ ओरै लिरोब्ला English is not easy to be learned. Be incorrect. Be incorrect. बेहाय मा होनदों जे adjective नि उनाव adjective नि उनाव खालि verb नि infinitive महरल' जयो गुबुन महर जवा adjective नि उनाव मा infinitive महरल' जयो बेहाय मा मोनखो होमबालाय English is not easy. English is not easy. Easy आथ' मा जाबाय adjective ना adjective adjective दा बिनि उनाव नैबे infinitive बेखौनो होनदों आरो infinitive गुबुन महर जानो मोना एहा नायदो to be learned नैबेयो to learn नि महरखौ to be learned लिरोब्ला learned आ मा जाखो past participle जाबाय बेथ' past participle बे main verb आ principal verb आ मा past participle जाबाय आरो लोगो लोगो बे गोरोन्थि जाबाय बेखायनो बिदियासो कारेक्ट आच्छा मोनसे लिरबावनोसै It is difficult to do. Be correct. It is difficult to do. It is difficult to do. Be correct. आरो बेखौनो जुदि जोङो नैबेदि लिरोब्ला ताने इहाय difficult आ adjective बेहाय बे adjective आरो नैबे infinitive मा infinitive to infinitive हा बेयो to infinitive bare infinitive नङा दे to infinitive बे सेन्टेन्सखौ जुदि जोङो ओरै लिरोब्ला it is difficult to be done बिदि लिरोब्ला बे गोरोन्थि जाबाय बे incorrect to be done it is difficult to be done be incorrect तारमाने adjective नि उनाव मा infinitive सो जानांगौ बेहाय मा जादों बेयो past participle जादों ओंखायनो बे नंला आरो बे main verb मा past participle जाबाय आरो लोगो बे गोरोन्थि this okay let's proceed to another one okay मा खायसे इन्ट्रेन्सिटिभ भार्बफोर दङ जायफोरा महराव एक्टिभ नाथाय ओंथिया पेसिभआव थायो बेफोरखौ पेसिभ खालामजाया खायसे इन्ट्रेन्सिटिभ भार्बफोर दं बिसोरनि महरा एक्टिभ नाथाय सेन्सआ ओंथिया पेसिभ बेफोरबादिखौ जों मालाबाबो पेसिभ भइसआव सोलायनो हाया बा पेसिभ खालामजाया जेरै नायदो she is gone बेहाय बियो मा she is gone बियो मा बुंदों मा बे ग'आ मोनसे इन्ट्रेन्सिटिभ भार्ब ट्रान्जिटिभ नङा अबजेक्ट थानो मोना नालाय ट्रान्जिटिभ भार्ब नङा बे इन्ट्रेन्सिटिभ भार्ब बे इन्ट्रेन्सिटिभ भार्बा खिन्थु मायाव दङ पेसिभ महराव दङ is gone she is gone बिदि लिरनाय जायो दा जों बेखौ मालाबाबो पेसिभ भइसआव सोलायनो हाया दा बुंनाय जादों मा महराव बियो मा एक्टिभ किन्तु सेन्सआ पेसिभ बे दा बेखौ जुदि जोङो ओरै लिरोबा पारफेक्ट टेन्सआव ओरै जायो she has gone बे perfect tense present perfect tense present perfect tense she is gone present perfect tense दा बेखौ जोङो मा जि महराव दं बे महरावनो दोननांगोन बेखौ जोङो दस्रा भइसआव सोलायनो हाला आरो दस्रायाव सोलायनो हाला दे आरो मोनसेबाव he is come he is come मा बेखौ passive voice बादि मोनदों नङा होमबा passive voice बादि आसलते बियो active किन्तु सेन्सआ passive आरो सेन्सआ passive दा बर'आव ओरै लिरदों बिनि फैनाया जाबाय he is come बिनि फैनाया जाबाय बिनि थांनाया जाबाय बियो थांबाय जों बर'आव बिदि बुङाथ' बिनि फैनाया जाबाय बिनि थांनाया जाबाय जों बिदि बुङाथ' दा बेफोर बारा बेले बेजेफोरखौ लानाया थिग नङा नायदो आरो मोनसेबाव The sun is set The sun is set साना हाबबाय जोङो पारफेक्ट टेन्सआव मा मोनदों प्रेजेन्ट पारफेक्ट टेन्सआव जे प्रेजेन्ट पारफेक्ट माबा प्रेजेन्ट इनडिफिनिट टेन्सआव मोनदों मा जों मालाबा माखासे भार्बखौ प्रेजेन्ट पारफेक्ट टेन्सआव लिरनांगौखौ प्रेजेन्ट इनडिफिनिट टेन्सआव बी भार्बजों लिरनो हायो बिदि बुंदों आरो दा सान इज सेट इनिफ्राय बेखौ जुदि जों ओरै लिरोब्ला दा सान सेट्स The sun sets The sun sets in the west बेबादि आरो एसे माबादि इयो बुजिनो गोब्राब जायो खालि जोङो टेन्सआव थांफिननांगौ बेखौ बुजिनोब्ला टेन्सआव थांफिननांगौ प्रेजेन्ट इनडिफिनिट टेन्सआव थांफिननांगोन दे बे आरो आच्छा ओरै बुंदों बेवहाय is come is gone is arrived is said फोरा passive voice नि फर्म नङा मानोना come go arrive said फोरा intransitive verb सो एखाने passive महर थानो हाया बेनिखायनो is come is gone is arrived is said फोरा फारियै has come, has gone, has arrived, has said नि गुबुन महरल'सो नाथाय गुबुन महरल'सो बाखिखौ बुंला दे बेनिफ्राय भार्बनि उनाव प्रिपोजिशन थानाय सेन्टेन्सखौ पेसिभ खालामोब्ला प्रिपोजिशना भार्बनि उनाव अरायबो जफायो ताने बिनि सेन्सआ जाबाय माखासे ओरैबायदि भार्ब दङ आसलते इन्ट्रेन्सिटिभ भार्ब बे इन्ट्रेन्सिटिभ भार्बफोरखौ जोङो भइस चेन्ज खालामनो हाया नाथाय बिसोरनि उनाव जुदि प्रिपोजिशन मोनफा थायो अब्ला बिसोरो ग्रुप भार्बआव सोलायो ग्रुप भार्बआव सोलायोबा बिसोरो ट्रेन्जिटिभनि बादि खामानि मावनो हायो ट्रेन्जिटिभ जानानै थाङा किन्तु ट्रेन्जिटिभनि खामानि मावनो हायो ट्रेन्जिटिभनि सेन्सखौ एसे मोनो आरो दा बिदि बेलायाव बिसोरखौ भइस चेन्ज खालामनो हायो अब्ला बै जे भार्बनि उनाव मेन भार्बनि उनाव जे प्रिपोजिशन दङ बे प्रिपोजिशना पेसिभ भइसआवबो थाबाय थागोन बे भार्बनि उनाव जि जायगा लानाय बेखौ नागारा एक्टिभआवबो बेनो भार्बनि उनाव थागोन पेसिभआवबो बे भार्बनि उनावनो थाबाय थागोन बे नायल' he plays प्ले माने गेलेनाय ना किन्तु बेहाय दामजुनि बेलायाव दामग्रा आइजेंनि बेलायाव मा दामनायसो जायो भायलिन he plays on violin दे दाना नायदो बेयो साबजेक्ट प्लेया प्रिन्सिपाल भार्ब बा भार्ब आरो बियो प्रेपोजिशन प्रेप सोरनि उनाव दङ भार्बनि उनाव दङ आरो बियो ऑब्जेक्ट बेखौ जुदि जों पेसिभ भइसआव सोलायोबा भायलिन बे साबजेक्टनि जायगायाव फैसिगोन Violin. Then present tense, no. Violin is third person singular number and it is present tense, so be verb is. Violin is. Now the main verb in past participle. Violin is played. Violin is played on. This on preposition after verb, no. Here also after verb. This. No separation. No decouple. Violin is played on by him. Violin is played by him. Okay, one more. She will preside over. She will preside over the meeting. She will preside over the meeting. She will preside over the meeting. She, subject, will preside. Okay, will auxiliary verb. Then it is principal verb. Then over is preposition. Prepo. Okay, prepo. And the meeting, it is subject. Let us send this from active to passive. The meeting, now this auxiliary verb. The meeting third person singular number, so auxiliary verb will be will. The meeting will be, now this main verb in past participle. The meeting will be presided over. Now this over here. No decouple. No separation. The meeting will be presided over by her. This, it is said. Okay. So many examples are, a few more examples are here, but we have no time. We have no time, We have no time. So let us avoid this. Okay. Next, let us proceed to another one. It is खायसे active voice ni sentence फोराव infinitive to बाहाय जाया नाथाय passive voice आव बाहायनाय जायो. Active voice आव to जवा नाथाय passive voice आव सोलायोब्ला बेहाय किन्तु to होनांगोन आरो नायल'. I saw him go out. I saw him go out. I saw him go out. I, subject, saw, verb, him, object, go, verb. What verb? It is bare infinitive. Okay, bare infinitive. Go out. Now, if we turn the sentence into passive voice, what will be this? Let's see. You see, him, object to subject, he, past tense, so be verb will be was because he is third person singular number. He was seen to go out by me. Because how the say agent like that. He was seen. And from behind go lomana behind be two febe two. But to who actually who ba guarantee again. I saw him to go out. Active voice out. Jadi tu huyibla, obla be guarantee akan. Kena passive voice out tu ko hanangan. go भार्बनि आगोलाव to खौ होनांगोन होमबासो कारेक्ट जागोन he was seen to go out जों जुदि ओरै लिरोब्ला he was seen go out बेखौ लिरोबा बे incorrect बियो दे बे incorrect he was seen go out लिरोबा incorrect passive voice आव to होनांगोन भार्बनि आगोलाव he was seen to go out okay मोनसे लाबावनि नामा मोनसे लाबावनि नाय active voice आव दङ he made us work he made us work he made us work he made us work passive voice आव सोलायनायनि सिगां जों नायनि बेयो subject बेयो principal verb बेयो as object बे work आलाय मा बे infinitive बेखौ जेब्ला जोङो एक्टिभनिफ्राय पेसिभआव सोलायगोन बेहाय टु गैयाबाबो जोङो पेसिभआव टु होनांगोन नायल' हि आहा नैबे अबजेक्टआसो फैगोन ना होमबा उइ बे पास्ट टेन्स एखाने बि भार्बा वेर जागोन उइ वेर मेड दाना टु वार्क जानसै जों खामानि मावनो थिनजादों जों खामानि मावनो बाध्य खालामजादों बे आरो we were made to work by him बे बेबादि आरो अके टाइमा जोंहा गैलियाब्लाबो आं आरो नोंसोरनो मोननै एग्जाम्पल खोन्थाबावनि मा रोखोमनि पेकिउलियार सेन्टेन्स एफोरखौ मालाबा फरिखायाव होयो एग्जामाव होयो दे एग्जामाव बिदि सेन्टेन्स होयोबा फरायसाफोरा आन्दायो मानोना क्लासाव फोरोंगिरि सारमोना बेखौ फरायसाफोरनो एला खोन्थाजोबनो हाया खोन्थाया दे हयथ' सोरहाबा सम थोआ सोरहाबा माबा असुबिदा बे रोखोमनि आरो नाय दे let us go बे पेसिभआव एक्टिभआव नायदो बे साबजेक्ट बे लेट भार्ब दङ as object go प्रिन्सिपाल भार्ब दानिया बेखौ जोङो एक्टिभनिफ्राय पेसिभआव सोलायबा बे अबजेक्टखौ साबजेक्टआव लाबोदो we बे पास्ट टेन्स एखायनो वेर लिरनोसै we were let नैबे ग'आ फैनोसै we were let go by them बेखौ लिराबाबो जायो we were let go by them खौ लिरलायाबाबो जायो he let me free बियो मा नैबे मिया अबजेक्ट बेखौ साबजेक्टआव लाबोदो बै मोनथाम रुलखौ मानिनानै दाना बियो मा बेखौ पास्ट टेन्स हमदो I was late free by him बेखौ नांलायला आरो नै इदिल' लिर I was late free दे बिदिखौबो जोङो गोसोआव लानांगोन नङाबा दिगदार आरो आं लिरलिया मोनसे फरायनानै होनसै have belong to happen depend occur lack resemble बायदि भार्बफोरहा ऑब्जेक्ट थायोब्लाबो बेफोरखौ पेसिव भइस खालामजाया माखासे ओरैबायदि भार्ब दङ have verb belong to happen depend occur lack resemble बिदि भार्बफोरा ऑब्जेक्ट थानो हागौ ऑब्जेक्ट थायोब्लाबो बिसोरखौ किन्तु जोङो मा भइसेन्स खालामनो हाया मोनसेल' एग्जाम्पल लिरनोसै सम गैला दे सम गैला जोङो मोनसेल' एग्जाम्पल लानोसै बेखौ मा भार्ब have verb belong to verb happen verb depend verb occur lack resemble बेफोरबादि नैखौल' लानोसै I have a friend I have a friend subject बे have verb ना have verb HV ओमफ्राय a friend object जों बेखौ नुनायावथ' एक्टिभ भइस खौनो मोनबाय दा पेसिभ भइस सालायनो हागोन ना हाया नैबे have verb सो ना बेखायनो बेखौ बे सेन्टेन्सखौ पेसिभ भइसआव हानाय नङा बिसोर एक्टिभआवनो थागोन माबोरै खालामनो ए फ्रेन्ड बे अबजेक्टखौ साबजेक्ट खालामफैनानै ए फ्रेन्ड हेज बिन हेड बाय मी बिदि जायो नामा जाया I have a friend बे बिदिनो थागोन आच्छा पेसिभ भइस गैया आरो My father depends on me. My father depends on me. Beer is dependent there. Beer is dependent Zaya. My father depends on me. Active voice. My father subject depends verb. ओमफ्राय बेजों on preposition me object एखेबारे active voice. नाथाय बेखौ जों passive voiceआव सालायनो हाया. मानोना नैबे dependआ मोनसे special verb. ओके होमबा जोङो दिनै दे Okay, let us meet again tomorrow. Okay, let us stop here. Bye.